Computer Organization and Architecture COA. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequence of arithmetic and logical operations automatically. In general terms, the architecture of a computer system can be considered as a catalog of tools or attributes that are visible to the user, such as instruction sets, number of bits used for data addressing techniques, whereas organization of a computer system defines the way system is structured so that all those cataloged tools can be used. The significant components of computer organization are ALU, CPU, memory, and memory organization. Now we understand COA. The computer organization and architecture COA is one of the most important and comprehensive subject that includes many fundamentals, concepts, and knowledge used in the design of a computer. This is the COA. Now, computer architecture. We understand about the computer architecture. The term architecture can be defined as an art and science of designing an object. The system architecture defines various functional units of the computer system and how these units are interconnected. It defines the system performance significations, performance specifications, and what systems should achieve in terms of performance. Now we understand computer organization. The computer organization defines the structure and behavior of the digital computer. The main objective of the computer organization is to understand the various computer hardware components and the interaction between these components. These some definitions about the COA, computer organization and architecture. This is the very simple definitions. Now we will understand by block diagram about the COA.